Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Ryan Retro channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the Xbox Game Pass, the monthly subscription service that lets you play lots of Xbox games on the cloud. Yesterday, we covered Nvidia GeForce Now. Nvidia GeForce Now lets you play your game collection wherever you want, but you have to own the games. With Xbox Game Pass, you get all of the games included with the monthly fee. It's like Netflix for games. So I'm very curious to see how well it works on the Retroid Pocket 5 and how it compares with Nvidia GeForce Now. Where I live in South Korea, Xbox Game Pass is actually around $2 cheaper than Nvidia GeForce Now, while also including all the games. So on paper it seems like a better deal. Let's compare how it runs. So first of all, let's jump into a shooting game so we can get a feel for the latency. So in order to stream the games to the Retroid Pocket 5, we need to use XCloud, which runs in the browser. This sometimes runs into a few issues. So there is an open source project being developed called Better XCloud. This lets you install an Android app which contains XCloud and is said to run much better. So I'm going to try that for today's tests. And this project is actually endorsed by the development team at XCloud, so there's nothing strange or dodgy about it. It should all be fine to run. Also, as a point of comparison, let's do a speed test. In the previous video I uploaded yesterday about Nvidia GeForce Now, the paid version launched the game in 1 minute and 11 seconds. Let's see how long it takes to launch a game inside Xbox Game Pass. So I'll reset the timer, I'll press play, and let's start the timer now. Well, it seems to be in the game already, and that was about 5 seconds. So I guess this is pretty quick. Okay, we're now in the menu of the game, and the first thing I have to say is it's really blurry. It's really not sharp at all. I'm not sure if we can change that in the settings, but it's not nearly as sharp as GeForce Now. I'll set the target resolution to 1080p, and the visual quality to high, and we'll see if that improves things. Now it looks much sharper. This is going to be my first time playing Call of Duty in probably around 12 years. I used to play all the time when I was a teenager and I really loved it. But it's been a very long time. But I think it's a perfect game to test out latency and how snappy and responsive the cloud gaming service is on the Retroid Pocket 5. The visual quality is really nice now since I turned up those settings. So hopefully we can get a smooth 60 frames per second like this. And let's see how it goes. Oh, if I could use the controller better, I think I could have got the kill there. It started well, and then I lost control of the right stick. I will say it feels a little bit delayed. My movements feel a tiny little bit delayed. When I was using GeForce Now, everything was immediate and snappy. This feels a little bit delayed. So maybe what I need to do is turn that resolution and settings down. But it's definitely playable. And I'm not sure if this is just how the game feels, because I haven't played this game in a very long time, and I've never played this version of the game. So it might be normal. Now jumping into Forza 5, once again there seems to be the same issue I experienced with Call of Duty, that everything feels a little bit delayed. So what I will do is go into the settings and put everything back to default again. Setting everything back to default and there's no change whatsoever. I will say this game looks amazing. Obviously I'm not playing it very well because I'm trying to look at the camera and make sure everything is recording okay, but it looks amazing. Welcome to Goatville! We're now in Goat Simulator, and unsurprisingly, this works absolutely flawlessly at 60 frames per second. Get licked! Oh wow, my tongue is doing some damage. What is happening? I'm not feeling any kind of latency in this game. It feels very smooth. How long is that tongue? Oops. Oh. Oh, what's happening? You can hit me with a truck, but you can't stop this tongue. So I think here is as good a place as any to put the console down and think about what we've done today. For $20 a month, you get access to over 300 games you can stream from the cloud directly to your Retroid Pocket 5. I was feeling something that felt like latency as I played, but definitely not anything horrible. It was so minimal that I wasn't actually sure if I was feeling it or not. And with the Game Pass, you're able to play plenty of AAA games on a device that can fit in your pocket. Well, if you have quite large pockets anyway. So I definitely think it's worth a trial, even for just 1 month, to see if it's for you. I will do more testing and play around with both the Xbox Game Pass and the Nvidia GeForce Now subscriptions over the next month, and I'll release a more comprehensive, detailed video comparing the two services. The game library, the performance, and the value proposition, and I'll let you know which one I think is worth your money. If this video helped you, please leave me a like, share a comment with anything you'd like to see me do next with the Retroid Pocket 5. If you'd like to get your own Retroid Pocket 5, check out the description where I have an affiliate link to the official Retroid website, the same place where I got mine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos every single day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much.